Hello, today I do something different. What I do, I talk about something deep learning topic. I think you should like this. We all need to understand what is the deep learning, and we would never understand because I don't say we would never, I can, but we can, but in our society we are built by this method. We all don't know what is the deep learning. In fact, I don't know. I'm just know just by the minute, just before the minute. And then I decided that I should talk about this deep learning. What is the deep learning? We all have a sea of noise. We can't ignore it, and we can't exaggerate it because this is the real world. We all indulge in that situation that they have a many lots of distraction. We can't ignore it, but one thing we can do that, stick on this one topic, one your field, and then you can fulfill your potential. And you can take a write copy and pen and write some keynote about your daily habit, daily routine, and you have to stick on it because one habit be, to become one habit to become automatic, it take a 21 days, and after 21 days it will automatically become your habit. This is the format, and this is the basic rule of habit, atomic habit. we research has shown that many of people are don't try. They tried, but once they get fail, they get exaggerate about it. But this is not important. What's important, once you fail, then you have to try more and more until you get automatic about it. Something is crucial about this deep learning. Our mind are our mind are made by the outcome, because I have a limited source, and we all have a limited information. We have a don't idea about what next. I know that this is the most typical word in our society. What next? But we don't care about ourselves in our mental health, because if we are not strong at a mental health, then we can worse, because this is the whole reality of the in distraction world. Because this distraction world always attract your attention, always grab your attention. Then you can try more and more, but when sea of noises will come, you get distracted. Mainly you have to stick on this, with what is this, your atomic habit, with your habit. And first of all, strictness and be a self discipline is most important. Before some time I have a no idea about self discipline, but it's remained, and it's included by the deep learning. If we don't have a self discipline, then how can we do? Not everyone will come and tell you, you should do this in that way, you should do this way, and you get confused about it. But it's the whole version of yourself. It's the whole process of this distraction work. We need to identify what should I do and what should I don't do, and be confident of yourself. Overconfident is not. Be believe be believe in yourself that you are doing is some level at a good level. You wanted to become your good version, then you have to do your deep learning and stick with this. This is the main process you can do, and you can read the book. Most important, I love this book, and I love reading this book. What this book, like I Think and Rich Grow, and As a Man Think Can, like Benjamin Graham, which is the intelligent, and most books I liked it, and I will continue this learning process and reading the book. I never skip it. And if you decide, and if you say something out of your ability, it means that you have ability to achieve it. big think, a big keep a big dream, because big dream is most important, and big thinking is most important. We all are we all are grabbed by the small problems, but they have a solution. We should find the solution and get up with this problem, and then achieve you and focus on your goal, focus on your learn something new, and puts your mind in the right way, puts your mind in the good things, good videos, good contents, maybe all things. You can try it more and more. Let's take a more advantage about it, and it's took 2 year or 3 year. You have to keep patience and grit. It's most important, and I will try it. And actually, I'm trying this. I face this, so I know about it. So this is my today's conversation about deep learning, and I will talk about this deep learning tomorrow. Bye bye.